Here we have a table of fruit, the price of the fruit, and the quantity that we have on hand. Wouldn't it be nice if we called up a fruit and all that information from the table populates in the cells automatically? A tutorial on data validation and Vlookup. Okay, in this table, I would like to identify the fruit column as column 1, the price column as column 2, and the quantity column as column 3. Okay, let's do data validation first. Data validation is also known as the drop-down box. So let's click in fruit, underneath fruit here, and go to data and data validation. And the data validation dialog box pops up. You pick list and click in the source. And underneath fruit, we'll grab the blank cell and pull it all the way down to the last fruit. And if you notice, it populated here. Okay? And we have a drop-down box of our fruit with a blank one. We grab the first cell here. So let's have the information populate automatically, and we can do that with a formula. And that formula is equals Vlookup. So equals VL. Vlookup looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then returns a value in the same row from a column you specified. So tab, the lookup value, column 1, which in this case is D7, column or comma space, and the table array, which is the actual entire table. Grab the table, and if you notice it populates P5 through R15, comma, and we are looking for the price of the fruit, so which is column 2. Comma space, and we're looking for an exact match, so that'd be false. Enter. And we'll do the same thing for quantity, which is column 3. Equals VL tab. The lookup value, column 1, D7, comma space, the table array, the entire table, comma space, and we're looking for quantity, which is column 3, comma false. Enter. Let's pull up a fruit. Orange, and orange $2.36 and $3.69 on hand. Let's go to the blank cell, and we'll see this little square handle down there, the little square box down there. That's called the fill handle. Grab it and pull it down a couple, and do the same thing for the formula. Pull it down a couple, and grab the fill handle and pull it down. And what that does, it grabs your formula and pulls it down to the next cell. So if you look here, the cell that we have, or the formula that we have, is in that cell. So let's pick a couple fruit. Cherry, strawberry, and banana. A tutorial on data validation and Vlookup.